Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful shoes for 2-year baby girl, and its frock and hair tutorial will also be available on my channel, and I am using a 4mm crochet hook for my project. So let's get started. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. Then make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook again, go into the ring and draw a loop. Then pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make second double crochet stitch. Then make double crochet 3 into the ring, then double crochet 4 and double crochet 5. We would make total of 12 double crochet stitches into the ring in this way. So I have made total of 12 double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch to complete this first round. Now make 2 chains and start making double crochet into the same double crochet stitch where we have made our slip stitch. So make 2 double crochet stitches in it. This is our second double crochet into the same stitch. Now into the second stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Go into the third one and make double crochet 1 and into the same stitch double crochet 2. So in this way we would make 2 double crochet in each of the stitch across. I have made these double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch of this round. Now make 2 chains and for the third round make a double crochet into the same double crochet stitch. Then make a double crochet into the second double crochet stitch and into the third one we would make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Again make double crochet 1 in the next stitch, double crochet 2 into the next one, and into the third stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch, double crochet 1 and then into the same stitch double crochet 2. So in this way we would make an increase in every third stitch and we would complete this round. So I have completed this round. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch and from here we would make our simple rounds of double crochet stitches. So make 2 chains and make a double crochet into the same double crochet stitch where we have made our slip stitch. Then go into the second double crochet stitch and make 1 double crochet in it Then into the third one make a double crochet, then into the fourth one make a double crochet. In this way make double crochet in each of the stitch of the previous round, and then make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch. Start the next round and make double crochets in each of the double crochet stitch of previous round as we have done in the previous round. And in this way we would make total of 5 simple rounds. One, two, three, 4 and then 5. So I have made total of 5 simple rounds. And from here make 2 chains and start making double crochets into these double crochet stitches. From here we would count 8 stitches and we would place stitch marker into the 8th stitch. And we would make double crochet in the previous stitch. So I have made these double crochet stitches, and this is the stitch where we have placed our stitch marker. We would leave these 8 stitches and we would start working to the opposite side. So make 2 chains, turn the work and start making double crochets in these double crochet stitches. So make double crochets in these all double crochet stitches. So I have made all double crochet stitches except the last one. Here is our last double crochet stitch. So go into this last double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it. Then to start the next row make 2 chains and start making double crochets in each of these double crochet stitches again. And in this way we would make a few of rows. So I have made total of 7 rows here according to my required length. Now I would join these 2 sides together by slip stitch, and I would work into these back loops only of these 2 sides. So just go into the back loops of these 2 sides. You can see the front loop here. Make a slip stitch like this. Then go into the back loop of both sides, second double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch into it. Then go into the third stitch, back loops only, and make a slip stitch. And in this way we would join these 2 sides together with slip stitch. So I have joined these two sides. Now pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle, and now with this light green color yarn, we would make single crochet border around the shoe. So join this light green color yarn, make chain 1, and make a single crochet into the same place. Then make a single crochet into this side space of double crochet stitch, and in this way start making single crochets. At these side stitches and the chain 2 space also, which we have made to start every row. At this corner, make a single crochet in this double crochet stitch like this, and then start making single crochets on this side of shoe also. Do the same at the other corner. So I have made this single crochet border around the shoe, and I have added a popcorn stitch flower to it with a bead in center, and this flower tutorial link will be available in the description box, so you can check the description box for the link of tutorial video of flower. I hope you like this shoe tutorial, so give this video a big thumbs up if you like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.